Welcome to Get the Math. Today we are working with arithmetic combinations of functions. We are given that f of 4 equals 8, and g of 4 equals 13. We need to find 4 combinations, all evaluated at x equals 4. Key concept: arithmetic combinations of functions. When we combine functions using addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, we simply apply the operation to the output values. This means we do not need the full function formulas. We only need the values at the specific input, in this case, x equals 4. Here are the 4 rules. G minus f of x equals g of x minus f of x. F plus g of x equals f of x plus g of x. F times g of x equals f of x times g of x. G divided by f of x equals g of x divided by f of x. Part A: find g minus f of 4. The rule says, subtract the function values. G minus f of 4 equals g of 4 minus f of 4. Substitute 13 minus 8. G minus f of 4 equals 5. Part B: find f plus g of 4. The rule says, add the function values. F plus g of 4 equals f of 4 plus g of 4. Substitute 8 plus 13. F plus g of 4 equals 21. Part C: find f times g of 4. The rule says, multiply the function values. F times g of 4 equals f of 4 times g of 4. Substitute 8 times 13. F times g of 4 equals 104. Part D: find g divided by f of 4. The rule says, divide the function values. G divided by f of 4 equals g of 4 divided by f of 4. Substitute 13 divided by 8. G divided by f of 4 equals 13 over 8. Recap. G minus f of 4 equals 5. F plus g of 4 equals 21. F times g of 4 equals 104. G divided by f of 4 equals 13 over 8. The key idea: arithmetic combinations just apply the operation to the output values. You never need the full formula, only the values at the given input. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more math lessons every week. Visit us at getthemath.net for more practice problems and tutorials. See you in the next one.